Hi, good morning. Today we are working on replacing a kitchen faucet. So let me show you what we have. So this is what I'm working with, and this is the faucet that I am going to be installing. And I'm trying to be quiet because there's a baby sleeping. Alright, what I'm going to start with is removing the old one though. That one looks rotted out. That one is one of the ones that attach the faucet, right? So, and now there's nothing around there. So all we got to do is bend these copper wires out of the way. And this one, can you see that one there? This one looks brand new, so that one we'll have to take off. And the end one right here is for the sprayer. So we'll have to remove that also. So that's what we have going. I just had to rip that thing apart to get it out. This is the one I'm doing. I'm going to be using this plate. You see your little name? Little tiny name. If you center the name up with the sink, it's kind of a little cheater way to center your faucet. Alright, that looks centered. I'm going to tighten it up now. Did that one. So now we're here. Okay. Here's that. Take the cap off. Alright, then. Oh, look at that. Easy peasy. Now we're over here with our, this is a weight. Okay. Now over here. Hot. And or cold. Turn our water on. Grand. Okay, this is where we ended up. Let me show you. See, all our new stuff, our old holes. Our old hole. Old hole. And that's where the old sprayer was. Here's our new sprayer. So. Well, it looks like our faucet has been installed. Thanks for watching.